Everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create 3D models in Tinkercad in 2026. Whether you're designing a simple object for 3D printing or building a more detailed project, Tinkercad makes the process easy with its drag and drop tools. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, visit the Tinkercad website, and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click Create New Design ** to open the 3D editor. After the workspace loads, you'll see the workplane where you'll build your model. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the * Basic Shapes * panel. Drag a shape such as a box, cylinder, sphere, or cone onto the workplane. This will become the first part of your 3D model. Click on the object to select it. You'll see white corner handles that let you resize the shape by dragging them inward or outward. Use the black handle above the object to adjust its height, and use the curved rotation handles to rotate it into the desired position. To build a more detailed model, continue adding additional shapes to the workplane. Move each object into place by clicking and dragging it. You can combine multiple shapes to create more complex designs. For example, you might combine a box and a cylinder to create a simple stand or a customized container. If you need to remove material from a shape, change another object into a hole using the options in the Shape panel. Position the hole where you want the cutout, select both objects, and click * Group *. Tinkercad will subtract the hole from the solid object, creating a clean opening. As your design becomes more advanced, use tools like * Align *, Duplicate *, and * Group * to keep your model accurate and organized. These features help you position objects precisely and create professional-looking designs. When you're satisfied with your 3D model, review it from different angles to make sure everything looks correct. Then click * Export * to save your design as an STL, OBJ, or another supported format for 3D printing or further editing. And that's how to create 3D models in Tinkercad in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D modeling guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.